Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the bank and of having nothing to do. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversation? So, a little girl named Alice was sitting beside her sister on a river bank, who was reading what Alice thinks is a very dull book. Okay, so Alice was tired and bored and was sitting with her sister on a river bank. Her sister is reading, but Alice is not interested in the book, in reading that book. She says that what is the use of a book in which there are no pictures, there are no conversations? That means that type of book becomes very boring for her, and according to her imagination, so she was not interested in reading that book along with her sister. So she was considering in her own mind as well as she could, for the hot day made her feel very sleepy and stupid, whether the pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth the trouble of getting up and picking the daisies, when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. So, according to her imagination, she started imagining that it was a very hot day, okay, and because of which she had started feeling sleepy, okay, and when she was thinking about all these things only, all of a sudden what she noticed? She noticed that there was a white rabbit with pink eyes, okay, and that rabbit just passed Alice very closely, उसके just पास से एकदम से निकला. There was nothing so very remarkable in that, nor did Alice think it so very much out of the way to her. The rabbit said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." When she thought it over afterwards, it occurred to her that she ought to have wondered at this, but at the time it all seemed quite natural. But when the rabbit actually took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket and looked at it and then hurried on, Alice started to her feet, for it flashed across her mind that she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it, and burning with curiosity, she ran across the field after it, and fortunately was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. So, what happened at this time? When suddenly the white rabbit appeared, and when the rabbit said that, "Oh dear, I shall be late," for that moment the rabbit doesn't strike Alice as odd at all, that maybe it may be possible that few animals speak. She was not that curious at that time, but when she realizes that she has never seen a rabbit putting on dressed up in a waistcoat, you can see in the picture in your book over here, you can see how the rabbit is being dressed up. So it was that Alice had never seen a rabbit in a waistcoat or with a pocket watch before. Okay, the rabbit was dressed up in a waistcoat as well as he was having a look to a pocket watch before, and instinctively she follows him across a field, and before she has a chance to think, down a rabbit hole. Okay, that means that Without just looking at that, the rabbit was dressed up in waistcoat and was carrying a pocket watch. She started following that rabbit, and within no time, what she saw that the rabbit went under the hedge into a hole.